To make multiple purchases on eBay into one single order, the first step is to access the eBay platform, either by visiting www.ebay.com or by downloading the app from the App Store. Once you have access, you can create an account and verify it by completing a test to prove you're human. After setting up your account, you can log in using your email and password or through your Google account. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the home page, which features a range of options, including daily deals, help, and various categories such as electronics, fashion, and home and garden. However, it's essential to note that eBay does not automatically combine shipping for multiple purchases into a single order. Each purchase has a separate order, and you cannot combine them into one. If you want to make multiple purchases and have them shipped together, you can contact the seller directly and request a total amount to pay. This is the only way to potentially combine multiple purchases into one order. Unfortunately, eBay does not offer a built-in feature for combining separate purchases into a single order, so contacting the seller is the best option.